guess.
One guess where we're at.
That's right. We are at the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad, and we are going on a special train ride tonight. They're introducing a new ride.
Yes.
It's supposed to have lots of live music, rock bands, I guess, and things like that. And we got invited along to go see this as community leaders or something like that.
Yeah.
Guests. So we're gonna go, and we're taking you guys along with us.
Yes, I'm pretty excited because we don't really know what to expect. So
I mean, we have no itinerary. We don't know what they're giving us or what we get with it or where we're going or anything. So.
And you guys are gonna get to see it with us at the same time that we're getting to see it. So
that's right.
Pretty cool.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so we found out a little information.
Yep.
First of all, P.I.
Jackson. Or P1.
P1.
Platform 1 Jackson is going to be our starting train car.
Yes.
But they've got, 6 bands, was it?
Yes.
And a different one in each car? And
right.
Yeah.
So there's...
And the 2 on the end are open air. So all the seats have been removed, and it's just a band and a dance floor, basically.
Yeah. And those are the big headliners. And then they have the smaller ones in the coaches one with seats, and so you can get, up close and personal.
Seats, but they removed some of the seats so they have room for the band.
Yes.
And sounds pretty darn cool.
There's water that is complimentary so that we all stay hydrated.
Yep.
There's 4 bars and a area where you can get food too.
Yep.
So they said to make sure that we pace ourselves. I mean, I don't know why they would say that to us.
I don't know. Did we ever get drunk?
No, never, no.
All right, we've got a few minutes here before boarding, but we're ready to move along now.
Yeah. I figured we had to at least get a glass. There's Donna. Strawberry moonshine, peach moonshine.
Yeah.
There was sweet tea, but either way, it's gonna be sweet, so it doesn't matter.
Shots of moonshine.
You gotta go for the whole experience.
Okay.
Oh, what do you want to do first? You want to do these first?
Yeah, let's do it.
Which one do you want, peach or strawberry?
That's
the last of the peach, unless they have another bottle.
I guess I'll take the peach then.
All right.
All right.
Strawberry, peach. Here's to an experience.
Yeah. You want to do half the shot and then give me half the shot?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah. It's actually good.
Yeah. It's not like most
I thought it would be sweeter.
pretty strong.
Yeah, here. Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
To an experience. Wait, I'm having a deja vu. Oh, wait, I got a different color. I guess it's not deja vu. I like the strawberry better.
Yeah, they were both pretty good.
Yeah.
Not terribly strong.
No, the peach was sweeter than the strawberry, I thought. Here.
All right, cheers.
I've been writing songs ever since. This for all you hard-working folks out there. It's called Daddy's Pocket Knife.
last car that we were in had, I was digging the music. It was like kind of rock and rollish.
Yeah.
But it was so hot. However, Pam at the bar is the only one that has liquor, and she's got more Yingling, whereas the one in the front has been totally
Completely out. Yeah.
taken. Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to be visiting Pam again.
On our way back.
Hello, we got some. Hi.
We're headed towards the back of the train to see what other bands we got here.
Yes.
So far we got rock and roll, we got bluegrass, we got kind of country or something like that.
It sounded like two kind of bluegrass, country, mountain folk kind of music.
Mountain folk music, yeah.
Is that
My
not-
ancestors.
You gotta go? No.
All right. Smells delicious. Palmer came through, y'all. Yeah. There we go.
There's Pam back.
Hey, almost didn't step into your shoe. Well, I need a bathroom. I know. Here. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, going into the sweat into the hills.
Yeah, this is a crazy train.
Crazy Train
Crazy train.
by Black Sabbath? No, that's Ozzy.
That's
I
awesome.
think, yeah. This has been really a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun. It can be tough to get through some cars because there's a lot of
And
people.
some parts are really hot.
And everybody's moving back and forth, trying to see all the different bands. We have our assigned car.
Look at all that. You need to get that. It looks pretty cool. That's all coming off the train.
Yeah.
And you might as well tell them it's Lake Fontana. Oh, here comes more.
That is Lake
There's more.
Fontana.
The steam engine. So I will say, if you can hear us, at the end of the train, That last band was awesome. I loved them.
Really good.
I didn't want to go. I didn't want to leave. But we have a nice little cushy seat with a table here.
Yeah, so.
I mean, so we listen to Bluegrass. That's okay, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get some food here in a minute.
Yep. And we'll show you what we end up getting.
One guess. It's not vegetarian.
That would not go over well.
It wouldn't give us substance in our belly with the alcohol and the water that we're drinking.
All right. We'll be back.
Lori is still not back from getting food, and the train has stopped, I believe, at Natahala Outdoor Center. So I'm probably just gonna hang out. Oh, there's Lori. She's got food and she's got 2 fresh beers, so that's awesome.
Hi, y'all. How long did it take?
I don't know.
You didn't time me?
It took a while. No, I did not time you.
Hey, we're at the halfway point.
Halfway point.
All right, we got a barbecue sandwich. We got some potato chips. I've got another Yingling.
Mama, got a ham and cheese.
Oh, Lori got a ham and cheese. You
Yeah.
didn't get the barbecue, huh?
No, I didn't, and it is melty.
Okay.
Oh, I think you can get
And we got a container of popcorn. And Lori says that that has $3 refills forever.
as long as you bring that back.
As long as you bring it back, yep. And Lori got a Yingling as well. All right, cool. Hello.
Oh my God, that was freaking awesome. Or
3
that was
hours.
really awesome.
And 6 bands.
Yes.
And lots of different stuff going on.
So.
Some very different kinds of music.
Oh yeah. So what I found out was when we came back, it didn't take the same amount of time as it did to get to where we were going.
That is true.
So basically, they put the gas to the pedal or whatever.
Pedal to the metal.
Pedal
going
to the
back.
metal.
Yep.
And like we made it in a half hour, whereas on the way out we took an hour and a half.
Yeah, so
So
they
I was like,
really,
oh my God, I gotta hurry up and get
they
back
really
to Corey.
kicked it going back.
They
so
did. So we got back at 10,
I was
right?
like,
Pretty much
wow,
on the nose.
we're gonna be
yeah.
like 10:30 getting back, but no,
No.
we're 10 o'clock on the nose, pulling back into
Yep.
into the port or into the
Into the port.
into the port,
Yeah.
the port,
The depot.
the port,
The
the depot.
It was a lot of fun. Definitely
lot
like
of
to
fun.
do it again. That was good.
If you get a chance to do this, it was a really cool ride.
Yes.
But anyway,
But anyway, what?
if you enjoy this kind of content,
Oh.
make sure that you hit the thumbs up button
Yes, hit that
and
thumbs up.
subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you
Boop.
never miss
This way.
a new video that we put out.
Nobody likes FOMO. Do it.
All right, guys. Until next time for Bigs to Tides.
We'll see you on the next ride.
Bye.